Balance it up. I know mind if you command me. Oh. She play my heart like Ronaldinho. Give me love like a Camila. Balance it up. I know mind if you command me. Oh. She play my heart like Ronaldinho. Give me love like a Camila. Oh girl, I want you to know.
Woke up, the price of coke up. I just hit them with the low cut, then call my folks up. Somebody.
Hey guys, hope you all are doing great. So here are the combs I'm going to be working with. I have my tail comb, my white tooth comb, but of course my detangling comb. Alright, so I'm combing out my hair to reduce some knot in it. Okay, I'm starting off on a freshly washed hair. And my hair is still wet a little bit, so I'm going ahead to start making my hair because my hair is thick and it's very hard to manipulate when it's all dried up. All right, so here I'm parting out my hair into 2 equal halves, and after which I'll tie one of it down with a rubber band, and then I'll work with one of the sections first. So the style that I'm creating is jungle cornrow braids. Okay, and I've seen someone here on YouTube that did the individual jungle braids and it came out good. I liked it and I was like, why don't I, create something a little bit different? So here I'm making a jungle cornrow braids. So if you want to learn how to do that, this video is definitely for you. So keep on watching. Alright, so I've sectioned out the first row that I'm going to be rolling. The cornrow method I'll be using for this video is a fading cornrow method. Okay, so after sectioning out my hair, I'll go on to detangle my hair. Here is the hair wax that I'm using. It's the oils that I like using because it helps slick down my hair. My hair is thick, so it helps slick it down and put it in place. Yeah. So after applying it on the root of my hair, I'll go on to comb it and smooth it in. And here I'm using my edge brush to like do some swoop in the edges and here and there, and afterwards I'll start my cornrow. Okay, so here is the braiding hair that I'm using. I already pre-stretched my braiding hair. I did that off camera. So here I'm showing you the sections I'll be working with in each cornrows. Okay, so this is the size of hair that I'll be using in each cornrows. Okay, so here I'm pre-sectioning them into little pieces by pieces. All right, so it goes from small, medium, big, just like so. So I'm starting off by curling my hair. I did 3 steps before adding in the braiding hair. So when you add in the hair, you hold it down with your pinky and your pointer finger. All right, then you make a cornrow, leaving the one in your pinky, then taking the one you left from your pinky and then moving it over and holding it with your pointer finger, if that makes sense. I don't even know how to explain this method, but I believe when you watch me and see how I do it, you will understand it. Okay, it is self-explanatory when you're watching it. Okay, so if you don't know how to make the cornrow with the fading method, you can also use the Ghana cornrow method. All right, if you know how to make a Ghana cornrow braids, that would do just fine. All right. While curling my hair, I'm applying the hair wax on it because my natural hair is thick and it's hard to stay in the braids, okay, because they'll be poking out from here and there. So I'm applying the hair wax that will help it to slick in and stay inside the braiding hair. All right, so when you're making a cornrow or you're braiding your hair and you notice that the amount of hair you're using, it's not up to what you want, by feeling it with your hand, you grab more and you add. Okay, that is what exactly I'm doing here. Okay, and while I'm doing so, while I'm adding in the hair, I'm also applying the gel in it to smooth in my hair. So if you're new to my channel, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Genevieve Ezinwa. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria. Welcome to my channel. Please consider hitting the subscribe button to join the family, okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for stopping by and welcome back. So here I've started creating the jungle braids pattern, okay? All you need to do is you make your braids and you pull out a hair from one part or one side of the braiding hair. So here I've started making my jungle braids. All you need to do is when you make your braids, okay, when you take like 1, 2, 3 step, you pull out a hair from the right side and you take another 2, 3 step, you pull out a hair from the left side, okay, depending on how close you want your the braids or the jungle pattern to be. If you want it too close, you do like 2 steps. If you want them spaced out, you do like 3 steps. All right, it is pretty easy, it is not hard, but it looks hard when you're watching it. But I tried, actually this was my first time of trying it and it came out good. And of course you can see that in my intro and outro video, you know, the outcome of the hair and how it looks, okay.
Now I got cars, now I got clothes, now I got money. Hey. Now I got crowds screaming my name, saying they love me. You get real close, say I'm not alone, you understand me. But late at night when I close my eyes,
Here I'm showing you the normal speed of how to make the braids, okay? Once you get to the tip of the braiding hair, you just go on to braid it all through. I would like to watch and I'll be right back.
now I got cars, now I got clothes, now I got money. Hey. Now I got crowds screaming my name, saying they love me. You get real close, say I'm not alone, you understand me. But late at night when I close my eyes, the quiet scares me. Well, you still
So here I'm done with my hair. This is what it's looking like. I'm cutting off the excess flyaways on the hair. I'm applying the hair wax on my edges, and after which I'll grab my edge brush and slick down my edges. You don't have to do this. You don't like slicking down your edges, okay? You can skip this part, but me, I love laying my edges, you know. So once I'm done doing that, okay, so here I'm putting a styling mousse on my hair. Okay, the styling mousse I'm using is Nova Gold styling mousse. Afterwards, I'll dip the ends of my hair in the hot water. Okay, you don't dip the whole braids, okay, because if you do that, you lose your jungle pattern. Okay, you just dip the tips, okay, just to seal the ends for it not to unravel. Okay guys, so once I'm done dipping the ends of the hair in hot water, I'll use an olive oil sheen to spray on it so as to add more shine. And when I'm done with that, I'll grab my head wrap and tie it down and then go on to do my makeup. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. If you have stayed with me till this moment and you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit on the red subscribe button to get subscribed and join the family. Also give this video a thumbs up, share it to your family and friends, and also comment down below on the comment section what you think about this hairstyle. Do you like it? Would you want to create it? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.
Balance it up. I know my end if you command me. Oh. She play my heart like Ronaldinho. Give me love, make her calm me down. Balance it up. I know my end if you command me. Oh. She play my heart like Ronaldinho. Give me love, we go calm me down.
Oh girl, I want you to know. Now you be my peace of mind. I cannot let it go. I just wanna dance to your rhythm and blues. Give me a little loving, we go cool my mind. I feel like another man run my race. Anything you want, I feel buy for you. Anywhere you go, I go there for you.
Balance it up.